Starting with the right mechanism, push the little grey tab and pull out the inside part of the rail. Using the tabs, hook it onto the right-hand side of the drawer as shown. There may be some grease on the rails, so give your hands a wipe. Repeat on the left side. With the right mechanism, hook it onto the drawer unit in the direction shown. Repeat on the left. Pull out this part of the rail on both sides, then holding the drawer rail, fit them together by sliding it into the drawer unit, pushing it all the way in, then pull it out and push it back in, and the mechanism is clicked together.